Hey everybody. Yes, we are outside at the trunk of my car, and it looks like everything but the kitchen sink is in here. So yep, you guessed it, the task for today is getting this trunk cleaned out. We are currently preparing for our dude number 2 to leave for college. So a lot of the things I've already ordered online, but there are some things that I have to, go pick up locally because some stuff I need to see, I need to touch, I need to feel, I need to, all of that. So, I'm really needing this trunk space. Now, I was trying my best to wait on dude number 1 because he has some stuff that he wants to do to his vehicle as well. He says we're balling on a budget. So, we're not wanting to purchase new vehicles because we don't want a car payment. We're trying to get some bills and other things paid off. So, he says we're balling on a budget, okay? So, I was going to wait on him, but I'm the one that's going picking up stuff and needing room in my car, in my trunk. So, we're going to do this now, and then you guys will get his version of what he does to Big Shirley, a.k.a. his vehicle, okay? So, we're going to get this cleaned out. I have a trash bag right here. I have turned around and backed up close to the garage. For one, to give me a little bit of shade because, y'all, it's hot out here. And then two, I've let the garage door open just a little bit where anything I take out that I think he may want to see, or we're going to slide it right on up under the door, okay? So, because it's hot out here, I won't be before you long. That's what the preachers say when they get up to preach. I won't be before you long. So I'm hoping that this will not take long at all. There are a couple of things that I purchased that we're going to add to the trunk, and then we're going to be done. So let's get ready with my trash bag. It's going to be interesting, the stuff that I pulled out of here. I already know what this is. These are old flowers, and they are flowers that I've taken off my mom's grave, and they just managed to stay in the trunk. So usually it takes me a while to throw them away after I take them off. Another seat. I don't need to keep this one in my car. We can put that one in the garage. Oh, isn't this convenient? My husband changed my light out. It has been every bit of at least, I'm going to say about a year and a half, and it's still in the trunk. I don't know if he's trying to keep that for a souvenir or what. These are some canning jars that I never took out. Ooh. Some books that I do not need. It is warm today. And you guys, I usually keep newspapers too. And I collect these newspapers because when we're working in the yard, and there's an area that I want to plant or mulch, we don't dig up the ground. So actually what you can do is just take the newspaper, and you have to put several layers of newspaper down, and we put those newspapers down and we mulched right over top of the newspaper, and then it prevented my husband from having to dig out all of that stuff, dig out the grass. Be mindful too when you're clearing out your trunk. I have some stuff in here that has our address on it. So don't just get the slinging stuff. Don't just get the throwing stuff in the trash. Make sure you look at everything. And I'll take that stuff in the house and shred it. These are the 20% off coupons for Bed Bath & Beyond. They have an expiration date, but they never expire, so I always keep these. And I actually have some that's on the inside of my car, and I just need to add those there. Other paperwork that I need to take in and shred. Again, anything that has your address on it, make sure you take it in and shred it. My trunk is actually pretty deep. I use this multi-purpose foam cleaner when I'm cleaning the inside of my car and carpet and stuff. I love the way it smells. It's for deep cleaning for fabric, carpet, and vinyl. This tough stuff is some good stuff. This is a disinfectant. In this day and time, we need to always have some Lysol, don't we? Considering our current events. No, but this is me. I think I'm going to keep that. I have some boots in here for when I was needing to be in some muddy areas. My gas cap was giving me issues. I think it was a sensor that was making my check engine light come on. So we ended up having to order, we did the generic, started with the generic gas cap. Check engine light continued to come on, so we ended up having to order another one from the manufacturer of the car to replace it. So, and it's still in the trunk. Trash. Why do I have shower cleaner? I couldn't tell you. Y'all know y'all need to get out there and get them trunks cleaned out. Empty. You guys, I have had this. This is a Cyber Power electrical outlet. I plug it up to my cigarette lighter, or to the cigarette lighter, and then it has another place where you can plug in here, or you use it. It has an outlet. So when we travel, it comes in handy, because just like when we were traveling a few weeks ago, I was able to plug this in and plug my laptop and edit videos while I was on the road. So that comes in handy. I don't know where I got it from, but when I tell you I have had it forever. Almost empty, you guys. And I don't know where my little handheld vacuum cleaner is. So So I just have this little my little handheld brooms. It feels so much better, y'all, when I open my trunk. It's so much better. See, all right. Something that only takes a few minutes, but it's going to make a world of difference. May even make my car ride better with a clean trunk. Get the dustpan. Y'all remember the Niecy Nash show? Who wants a clean house? Who wants a clean trunk? I do. Oh, so much better. And here are a couple of items that I picked up. Ironically enough, my husband and I just had a situation, I think it was day before yesterday, where my tire over here was going flat. So he pulled into the gas station, and it was a gas station that had free air, and he plugged the air thing up to my tire, and he said it wasn't working. So I don't know if in the process he ended up letting some more air out, but he was like, we got to go somewhere and get some air. So we were able to go pretty much like right across the street. Got across the street, looked at my tire. Oh my goodness, we would not have been able to get any further than that. Because of how flat my tire was. Y'all, these bugs, these bees flying right here. So, I was in Ollie today, and I found this. It's a Air Eagle compressor. It's a powerful and portable air compressor. It's powerful up to 150 psi, and it's great for your car, bicycle tires, inflatable equipment, air mattresses, and more. So it also includes a ball adapter, pin, and balloon adapter pin. No batteries, no recharging. So it has a built-in LED light. And again, this was $15.99. So you guys, I thought it was perfect for me to get, especially considering, you know, what we had just experienced. So if you guys have an Ollie's, you may want to check that out. Here's the picture that's on the back of it. So I'm just going to put this in the trunk, let my husband see it when he gets home, to see if he wants to go on and open it or whatever. And then I was in Aldi, and they had this trunk organizer with the cooler. The detachable insulated compartment to keep, so the compartment to keep food cold is detachable. And this was, I think, $12.99 at my Aldi. So I thought it was perfect, again, considering that I had been saying that I was going to get my trunk cleaned out and organized. So this towel, it's always good to have a towel in here. Guess I never know when I may need it. Hoodie. Never know when I may need that as well. So, put that in there too. And I actually think I really want to slide this like out of the way. That way it won't be sitting right here when I'm trying to get stuff in the trunk. Oh, and I feel it has it has Velcro on the bottom of it, I guess to kind of keep it from sliding around. The rest of that stuff is just stuff I need to take in the house, but it didn't take long. Probably wouldn't have taken as long had I not been running off at the mouth. Well, guys, I appreciate you joining me for this edition of Get That Trunk Cleaned Out, girl. Thank you guys so much for watching. I already look forward to you joining me again next time. Bye.